welcome back to my channel. I don't know what all this was. This weekend I am going to be vlogging. Essentially this weekend I have a lot of work to do, as like that's kind of every weekend when you are in year 13 or in A-levels in general. But yeah, today I thought, well this weekend I thought I would film it for you guys. I've been very inactive on here. This is currently being filmed at the end of March, but I think this is going up in late April, just to put it into context. So this is actually filmed a month ago. But I still hope you enjoy it. To let you know a bit about why this weekend is so busy, I've got a test to revise for on Tuesday, got an essay to write, and then I just need to actually start doing some actual revision for my A-levels. Hopefully a month later when you're seeing this I'll be like properly into it, because A-levels will be not that far off. But yeah, I need to start doing some revisions, so that's what we're going to do. It's currently Friday afternoon, and it's about 3:05 in the afternoon, so I'm going to like kind of start off now. I'm currently editing a video and then I'm going to start doing some revision. This video is also super exciting because I've been sent this subscription box full of stationery by a brand called Oh Dear. They've got an Instagram and I'll leave all that down below. But the exciting thing about it is that I actually answered some questions for a blog post on their website. So I'll leave a link to that down below. Me and tons of other people who you probably have heard of all responded to the questions, and it'll be a really interesting read and hopefully give you some motivation and help you get to know us all a bit more. But yeah, let's open this. I'm going to go through it quite fast because I don't want this video to be too long. And you probably will see me using a lot of the stuff in here during the video anyway, so I'm not going to like go into too much detail, but I'm very grateful to be sent this and I'm very excited to see what is inside of it. And I'll leave a link to like their website and stuff down below as well if you like this look of any of the stuff in this subscription box. Cute. Oh, I've opened it the wrong way. Wow. Oh, how cute. Let's see what is in here. This is so cutely packaged. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is adorable. I literally, oh my god, I can put these in my room. Oh, cute, so cute. Also, if you do want to get this box, £1 per box sold goes towards protecting butterflies. Yeah, so this is a subscription box, but they also sent me some other stuff, like personally, that's not involved. So they've got me a cute little planner, which is adorable, some sticky notes, which, my heart, they're so cute. It's also cute, I don't know what other adjective to use to describe it. Some adorable little stickers and a little card with a motivational quote on it, which I need right now. Butterfly paper clips. Oh wow, these are cute. These are. I'm excited to use those. A butterfly badge. I've got a little pin and a little calendar sheet. That's a cool idea, I like that. And then some little art prints. Ooh, that's cute. I need to find somewhere to put these. We've got 3 little art prints here. They are adorable. And we've got a little butterfly enamel pin. Is that in focus? Yes it is. That is really cute. I think I'm going to stick that in my corkboard actually, because I don't wear pins usually. And then we've got a weekly planner. I have so many weekly planners and this one is very cute, and a lot of the ones I have like really dark colours or really like weird designs on them, and it's kind of hard to see what you've written, but this is nice and simple and I love it. Thank you so much for sending me this, and I will definitely make use out of it during this video. Okay, it is Saturday morning and it's about 10 AM. I watched Titanic last night, which was probably a mistake because it's like 3 hours long and it's like an emotional roller coaster. I actually stopped watching it just before the iceberg because I didn't think I could take it. That's sad. Anyway, so yeah, it's 10 AM. I've just come out the shower. I'm going to tidy up my room and then I'm going to crack on with some work. Yay! And I'm going to be productive today. I'm going to use the Forest app on my phone. Basically stops me going on my phone. I mean, I could turn off my phone and put it in another room, but I prefer to do that so I can compete with my friends. That's so sad. So yeah, I'm going to use that to try and stop me from procrastinating. But I'm first of all going to tidy up my room because it's not very tidy. I need to make my bed, etc. Get some breakfast, finish the chapter in my book, and then work.
Hello everybody, it's about midday now. I had breakfast and chilled quite a lot, so I'm going to do about an hour of work before I have lunch. I'm going to type up some notes for my psychology topics because I have a test on that. I don't really know any of the content, so yes, that is what I'm going to do for the next hour. Okay, we're going to plant a tree for an hour, so that's an hour of me being focused. Yay.
Your tree has grown! I am now going to go and make myself some lunch. I made a pasta sauce yesterday and it was actually pretty good. So I'm gonna have the rest of that for my lunch. I actually got quite a lot done, I'm quite proud of it. First of all, I'm gonna be an adult and unload the washing that I did because I got sauce on my hoodie last night and it really upset me, so I did the wash. Call me an adult. Let's see if it came out actually. This cat is so cute. I want it. Come on, come back, come back. Meow. Oh my god, I'm a cat whisperer. I don't know whose it is, but it's so cute. Hello. Meow. I can't let you in. Oh my god, he's so confused now about why I won't let him in. I'm hiding because some people walked past and saw me accidentally almost let in a cat that's not mine. Is it bad that I want to let in a random cat because it's cute? Probably. I'm sure you guys can understand. Guys, I just sat down to do some more work and I can actually buy a new tree on Forest, and I think I'm going to get a pink one because my forest isn't very colourful. There's the pink one. Yay! Pink tree. I'm going to plant this now and do another hour of work. An hour and a half later, we've only got 4 more essays to write, but it is currently 20 to 7, so I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm not really that hungry because I made myself loads of lunch, so I'm just gonna have like a sandwich. Yay. Hello everybody, it is Sunday morning. I am wearing the same outfit. So it's about 10 and I forgot the clocks went back, so I woke up at 9 and I was like, oh my god, how did that happen? But obviously I actually woke up at 8, which is alright. But now it's almost 11, so I'm like, oh my god. This afternoon as well, I'm going out driving with my dad, and it's Mother's Day, so we're visiting my grandparents. So I really need to get a move on this morning and stop procrastinating. I spent a lot of time reading yesterday, which is why I didn't get that much done. But yeah, today I've just got to grind it all out. And this video probably won't be that interesting just because I'm going to be doing the same thing over and over and over again, which is very boring, but it's got to be done. So yes, let's continue with what we were doing yesterday. I'm going to plant another tree. I also haven't really been on my phone today either. And my room continues to be a mess, which I love. Go me. So an hour and a bit later, I've typed up these two here, these 2 pages. I've got 2 more to do and then I am finally done on this, and then I can just learn it all, you know. That's not going to be a task at all for I've got 2 days to do that. That will be fun, but did it before, we can do it again. I mean, I did it before on a much smaller topic, but
I still believe that I can do it again, because if I don't, I won't be able to. But to be fair, going through it all, like by typing it up, it does really put it into your head, and it makes you think about it and stuff, and like review your notes, etc. If I get a good mark on the test, I'll put these up for sale. These are for forensics. It's a paper-free topic, so I don't think everybody does forensics, because it is actually the biggest topic. So I mean, it's the most interesting topic, which is I think why we do it, but it's definitely the biggest, so I don't think a lot of people actually do this topic, which makes sense, to be fair, because less content to learn. But it's really interesting. I'm just not particularly enjoying writing up tons of notes about it, but yeah, I've done about an hour and 18 minutes worth of work according to Forest on the top of the leaderboard, which makes me happy. Yes, look at that, an hour and 18 minutes, and it is currently 12:16, but really it's 11:16. Wow, this clock thing has just really thrown me off. You know what? This app should sponsor me, because I genuinely would rave about it anyway. But this week, well, this month so far, I've done way more psychology than my other subjects, which isn't very good, especially considering the amount I've done, like history-wise. I've still got to write a history essay today as well, which is going to be really fun. For once this weekend, I'm actually going to show you what I'm making for lunch. It's not very interesting, like I picked the least skilled meal, but yeah, I'm going to show you. It's also such a beautiful day, so I'm so sad that I'm stuck inside working, but maybe I'll go and eat lunch outside and read my book. That might be nice. Also, this cake was untouched on Friday morning, so I've eaten over half a cake. It is quite a small cake, to be fair, and it's really nice. It's a coffee cake. Go mum for making it, but we've got another one in the freezer, I think. So, sorry mum, it was nice. Okay, back to the aim of this. We've got this baguette that I'm going to put in the oven, and then I might put some, I put some brie and other stuff in it yesterday, so I'm just going to do the same today. So I've just put that in the oven, and I just remembered when the clocks go forward, it's always light a lot later, which is really helpful for my motivation. So tonight it should probably still be light at like 7 PM, which is really nice. Because when it starts to get dark outside, I always feel so unproductive, even though I'm obviously not. So yeah, hopefully that should be good. And we've got some spinach and some cheese, which I'll sort when that comes out. In the meantime, I'm going to go read my book. I have no shame in admitting that I'm rereading Harry Potter. I don't know if I said it earlier in the video, but Harry Potter's like my exam series, book series. So I read it during my GCSEs, so I'm planning on reading it during my A-levels. So we're going to go and read this. I read half of the second book yesterday, which is why I didn't actually get that much work done. But we're going to read this while I eat my lunch. Isn't it so sunny? I love it. So we're going to plant another tree. There we are. Right guys, I have just done just under an hour of work. My tree's about to finish, but I'm actually going off driving with my dad now. So I'll probably be back in like an hour and then I'll finish this. I've only got a little bit more to do now, which is a relief, let me tell you. So I've only really got these 3 points to type out, so it should be quite quick. And 25 minutes later, je suis fini. Sorry to any French people, that's probably wrong. But yeah, I'm done. Let's print it out. Wow, that's taken way too long. Oh yeah, and I always print out all my notes as a booklet because they look so cute. Let's see if I can remember how to do it. Here we are. If you don't print yourself as a booklet, you should, because it looks cute. Okay. Print. So this is my little forensics book that I did, that you see me typing these past few clips. This is very long and I'm very proud of it because it took me so long. I'm thinking I'll put one of these little stickers on it. I have returned. It is about 7 PM. So I'm just going to bang out this essay for history and then I'm done, thank the Lord. I've also got this random spot that's just emerged, so I need to deal with that ASAP. And then write this essay. I also want to mention how light it is still. Oh my god. And I put up the art pieces just here in case you wanted to know. I haven't really used a lot of the stationery this weekend actually because I've been using, like, doing digital revision. So yes, but hopefully I can make some use of it this afternoon or this evening actually. So after about 40 minutes, which is quite good actually because I usually have 40 minutes to plan and write one of these. It was just over 40 minutes that I did this, but I have finished my essay. I don't know how good it is, but it's done and that's what matters. This is the plan here. And now I'm gonna go watch a movie with my mum because as I'm filming this, it is Mother's Day. Haven't seen her really, so we are gonna go do something. And I'm thinking I will leave this to organise in the morning because it doesn't look very tempting right now. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to go and read the blog. I'll leave a link in the description. I think you guys will enjoy it and there's some good stuff on there. And lots of other people who you'll know, so definitely go and give it a read. I'm not going to turn the camera around because I look awful, but thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!